Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want us to take a quick look on how to actually make a linear search algorithm inside JavaScript. Now let's waste no time and jump straight into it and take a look. So let's say we have a target. Okay, we have an array that we want to search through, maybe some numbers like 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and we have a target, and this target has maybe 5. So we want to search the array so that we can get our desired target. Now, how we do that is we make a function. We can call it linear. And we will have two parameters, which is our array and our target. Okay. Now we will loop through our array. So we'll have a for loop, and in this for loop, let's initiate I, set it to 0, and let's get each and every index of the array dot length, and let's iterate I by 1. And now, since we have this, we are able to get each and every single element of the array, right? So if an array, a single element, one number of the array is the same as our target, return I. So I is just returning the target element. Okay, right. And then otherwise, if we're not finding anything, then we should just return -1. Okay, so now this is it. This will loop through the entire array, and if it happens that we find the target inside our array, what will happen is it will print out the target element. And let's see this into play. So let's have our numbers array here. Maybe we can say 1, 5, 6, 8, and 2, for example. And let's also have our target. Let's call it targ. And we are looking for the number 8. Okay, so this is perfect, and let's print this out. We want to print out the answer, but we don't have the answer yet, so we should not log it, sorry, const ans to be the function, and inside the function we will have the number and the tags, because remember our function takes in 2 parameters. Okay, and this should work. Let's test this out, and let's node linear search.js. Okay, so it says it's in the index 3. So let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's our target. We found our target. What happens if our target is nowhere? Let's see. Let's save this and run this again. We will get a -1 showing that our target does not exist. So that is how you make a linear search inside JavaScript. I hope you found this informative. Let me catch you guys on the next one.